In computer science, a queue is an abstract data structure where items are kept in order. New items can be added to the back of the queue, and old items are taken off from the front of the queue. We're going to simulate that right now, some of the functionality of a queue using this next in line function. So the purpose of this is to show that in this next in line function, you can add an item to the array that's passed in, and then it's going to return the first item on the list. For instance, if we have this array right here, if we add an item to this array, it should come after at the end. So it should come after 5. And then it should return the first item on the list. In this case, it's 1. So you see we have some console.log set up. So it should show what the list looks like, the array looks like beforehand, and then show what it looks like afterwards. This JSON.stringify is just a way to change an array into a string that can easily be printed out to the screen. So to do this, we're just going to have to do two things that we've learned about already. So the first thing is to add the item onto the list. So we see right here, next in line, passed in the test array and 6. So we're calling this function next in line. We're passing in this test array here and the number 6. We want the number 6 to be added to the end of the array. So we'll just do r.push. And then I'll put in num. Just like that. Oh, actually, it's item. So what we did, we took this array that was passed in here, which is in this case test array, and we pushed the item that was passed in. And in this case here, it's the item 6. Now we want to return the first item on the list. We want to remove and return this item so that when we console.log here, it should show the number 1. So instead of returning item, I'm going to return r.shift. That's what shift does. Shift removes the first item and returns that first item. So let's check this out. Okay, you can see before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we've popped off the 1, and after it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We did it.